Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today topic is environmental characteristics. This slide compares the ozone depleting potential and global warming potential of some of the most common refrigerants. The table also provides the atmospheric life of each of these refrigerants in years. Ozone depleting potential and global warming potential refrigerants are evaluated for their environment friendliness on the basis of their ozone depleting potential and global warming potential. At this point, it is important that the trainer explains what ozone depleting potential is equal to 1 and global warming potential is equal to 1 mean. Ozone depleting potential is the measure of the ozone depleting capability of a refrigerant compared to that of chlorofluorocarbon 11, which has been given an ozone depleting potential of 1.0 baseline. In the table, the ozone depleting potential value has been color coded to visually distinguish the increasing value. As can be seen, the ozone depleting potential baseline reference value is 1.0 for chlorofluorocarbon 11. For hydrochlorofluorocarbon 22, commonly known as R22, which is used as an air conditioner refrigerant, the ozone depleting potential value is 0.055, and for hydrofluorocarbon 134A and hydrocarbon, both propane and butane, the ozone depleting potential is 0. Global warming potential is an index that compares the warming effect of different gases over time relative to equal emission of carbon dioxide by weight. The highest value is 10,900 for chlorofluorocarbon 12 and the lowest is less than 1 for ammonia. For hydrofluorocarbon 134A, the global warming potential value is quite high, 1300. This indicates that through hydrofluorocarbon 134A is environmentally friendly as far as ozone depletion is concerned. It is not environmentally friendly when its global warming impact is considered. The table also gives ozone depleting potential and global warming potential values of various other refrigerants. As mentioned earlier, ideally ozone depleting potential should be 0 and global warming potential should be relatively low. Global warming potential is also proportional to the atmospheric lifetime. The longer the atmospheric lifetime, the higher the global warming potential. Hydrochlorofluorocarbons have high global warming potential compared to their alternative, hydrofluorocarbon and hydrocarbon. Hydrofluorocarbons have very high global warming compared to ammonia, carbon dioxide and hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are close to ideal, having 0 ozone depleting potential and negligible global warming, but there are safety issues associated with their use.